My name is Hannah Olateju. I'm 20 years old and I'm a social media influencer. My childhood was extremely happy. I always remember laughing and running around like a headless chicken. Everything was pretty normal, and that transpired to me being a very confident person. I had meningitis when I was 2 years old. I always made a point of making people feel comfortable because I found that people sometimes feel quite uncomfortable with an amputee and they didn't really know how to cope with you or how to manage or how to speak sometimes. So I always make a point of, complimenting them or making a joke and then basically showing them that everything's fine, just chill, relax. The only difference between me and you is that I have less limbs and probably longer hair, who cares, I think it's very important that people like myself, and by that I mean people who aren't seen as normal, are seen in normal circumstances, because we need to show people that we're just like them. We're just living our lives. We have a life too. We have things to do. Maybe we have children, maybe we have, grandchildren, who knows? Life is not that different. What I used to do when I was younger as well, when I was insecure, I would only look at body positive content, and that's all that my Instagram would show me. So eventually I just came across a lot of people like myself. It really helped me and my confidence. And even my mum says oh, Hannah, I haven't seen that from you before, but it seems sassy, and I think I just grew through that. I didn't plan to become an influencer. I just basically started posting things on my lifestyle, restaurants I liked, places I like to travel to, family vacations, and people started taking an interest. So I thought, okay, well, I can actually make something of this. When I was younger, I never really saw people like myself on TV. I didn't see anything. So I became that example for myself. I just think of all the other millions of girls out there who need someone who's inspiring, who has faced the odds, and who just want that person to say, it's okay to be yourself. It's okay to be, have a little extra, or it's okay to be skinny, it's okay to have acne. To people who think that we should just, be behind the curtain and not be looked at, they need to get a life, first of all, and they need to go and focus on their own life and let us, people like myself, continue making our money, living our life, traveling, and living our best life.